Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to channel for everything interior design. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on one of our latest tips and tricks for making your home beautiful. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and timeless design styles of the 20th century, mid-century modern home decor. If you're a beginner and you've been eyeing this style but you aren't really sure where to start, this video is for you. Let's start by breaking down what exactly makes a home mid-century modern. Originating from the mid-20th century, this style is all about simplicity, functionality, and a connection to nature. Think clean lines, organic forms, and a mix of materials like wood, metal, and plastic. Mid-century modern is characterized by its minimalist approach. Each piece serves a purpose, and there is a focus on reducing clutter. The design elements are really sleek, and it often features bold, geometric patterns. One of the key elements is the emphasis on functionality. In mid-century modern homes, every piece of furniture is designed with both form and function in mind. The style is also known for its use of open spaces, large windows, and an integration of indoor and outdoor living, creating a seamless flow between the two. Now, where can you find mid-century modern decor? Thankfully, this style has seen a resurgence in popularity, so there are plenty of places to find authentic and replica pieces. For the real deal, you might want to check out vintage stores, estate sales, or even auctions. Online marketplaces like eBay and Etsy are also great for hunting down original mid-century modern items. For those of us on a budget, many contemporary furniture brands offer mid-century modern inspired collections. Stores like West Elm, CB2, and Article have a fantastic range of affordable pieces that capture the essence of mid-century modern without breaking the bank. Amazon and Wayfair also have a really wide variety of options that are perfect for beginners. Speaking of, if you would like to see some beautiful mid-century modern pieces that I have sourced for Amazon, go ahead and check below in the description box. I have them all linked there for you. Now, let's take a look at some popular or iconic mid-century modern spaces that can really inspire you. One of the most famous examples is the Eames House in Los Angeles, designed by Charles and Ray Eames. This home is a masterpiece of mid-century modern architecture and interior design, showcasing the perfect blend of functional furniture, natural materials, and a connection with the outdoors. Another great example is the Miller House in Columbus, Indiana. This house features an open layout with furniture that defines spaces rather than walls, perfectly embodying the mid-century modern ethos of simplicity and utility. Color also plays a huge role in setting the tone for your mid-century modern home. The classic color palette includes earthy tones like olive green, mustard yellow, and burnt orange, often contrasted with neutral shades like white, gray, and black. Teal and turquoise are also popular accent colors in mid-century modern decor. Now, don't be afraid to mix these colors in your space. Mid-century modern design often combines bold hues with natural wood tones to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The key is to really balance the vibrant colors with neutral backdrops, allowing the furniture and decor to really stand out. So let's talk about the key pieces you'll need to achieve that mid-century modern look. Start with a statement sofa. Look for something with clean lines, tapered legs, and a relatively low profile, meaning one that sits kind of low to the ground. A classic Eames lounge chair or a Noguchi coffee table can also be fantastic focal points for your living room. For the dining area, opt for an oval or rectangular dining table with slim tapered legs, paired with molded plastic chairs or wooden chairs with a simple, sleek design. And please, whatever you do, don't forget about lighting. Mid-century modern homes often feature unique, sculptural light fixtures like the iconic Sputnik chandelier or an Arco floor lamp. So if you've seen this style around or you've seen it in magazines or this video and you say, that's it, I have to recreate this style in my home, let's go ahead and talk about that. Start small, choose a few key pieces that you love and really build around them. Now try to keep your space as clutter-free as possible and focus on functionality. Remember, less is more in mid-century modern design. Also, use color strategically. Pick a bold accent color and incorporate it through pillows, artwork, or even a statement rug or decor pieces. You can mix materials like wood, metal, and glass to add texture and interest. And most importantly, don't be afraid to mix vintage and contemporary pieces to create a space that feels both timeless but yet truly personal to you. So that's it for today's video on mid-century modern home decor for beginners. I hope this gives you the inspiration and the confidence to really start decorating your space in this iconic style. Remember, whether you choose to go mid-century modern, traditional, or contemporary, the best thing your home can really have is a sense of gratitude drifting throughout it. Like I say in a lot of my videos, we may not be where we want to be, but the fact that we are still here, somewhere, should give us a sense of appreciation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our Home Decor 101 community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.